In this video, I'll show you how to create barcodes in Excel like this in 3 easy steps. So let's get started. First, we need to make sure that the product code column is in the right format. Barcodes can have zeros at the start. So if we format them as numbers, they will lose the starting zeros like this. So let's format the column as text. Once the right format is set, we need to convert the product code to a special syntax. To do that, select the target cell and type an equal sign to start the formula. Type an opening bracket in the double quotes and then an ampersand sign. Now select the cell containing the code and then type an ampersand sign again. Type the closing bracket in double quotes and press the enter key to complete the formula. This formula will wrap the product code in the brackets. Copy the formula to other cells. Now we just need to select the cells and change the font to one of the barcode fonts. In my case, the font is ID Automation HC39M. As you can see, all the product codes are now converted to barcodes. You can also test these barcodes by using a barcode scanner app on your smartphone. Don't worry if you cannot see this font in the list. This font does not come with Excel by default. To install it, go to Google and search for code 39 barcode fonts. Select the result pointing to the ID Automation website. Click the Download Now button to download the fonts. Once downloaded, right-click on the zip file and select the Extract All option. Now go to the extracted folder and select the file with the .ttf extension. Right-click on it and select Install for all users option. Once the installation is complete, close all the open Excel applications and start Excel again. You should now have the ID Automation HC39M fonts in the font list. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.